Hello dollies! Today we are going to unbox two new dolls from GearBest. The first one is in this box right here. It's a little squished, but that's just the box. The doll is okay, so let's get right to it. This is an NPK doll. It comes wrapped in this big Ziploc bag. First item we have is a teddy bear. It's very fluffy and soft, perfect for your doll to cuddle. The doll also comes with a feeding bottle, so you don't have to buy one. She also comes with a little round white blanket with pink trim. Her hands and feet are very nicely detailed. The blush is liberally applied, making her look very healthy. Her nails are painted with white tips. She also comes with a knitted headband, very pretty. Her hair is a little coarse feeling, but you can still comb it, and it really looks like baby hair. There's a little bit of shedding, but that's to be expected with a brand new doll. This baby doll has a pacifier too. It's magnetic and doesn't really go in her mouth, but that's okay. It looks really cute. Her face is made from vinyl. It's not very squeezable, but it is smooth. Plus, she is sleeping right now, so please don't squeeze her. She also has nice face blushes as well. She also comes with an outfit that includes these little cute socks. Her pants have a little tutu attached to them. She is also wearing a diaper. She has a cloth body from her neck down to her thighs and also to her upper arms. She won't sit down on her own, but she can sit with some support, just like a real baby. Here you can see all of her body blushing. She is not as soft as a real baby, but she is very huggable. She looks very realistic, especially when she is hugging her teddy bear. I will put a link to where you can get her in the description box, so please check it out. Here is the second doll. It did not come in a box, so there is nothing to squish, just lots and lots of bubble wrap. This baby doll also comes in a giant Ziploc bag and is by Oh My Doll. They have this little card of authenticity and it has the name of the designer on it. She also comes with a pink feeding bottle as well. And this adorable little beanie. So cute! And a little round white blanket with pink trim. Look at those bright blue eyes. The hair is a little matted from the shipping, but you can just comb it out. Maybe shampoo it too later. Let's put the beanie back on. She looks cold. This baby doll is awake and has an attentive look on her face. She has an open mouth, but the baby bottle is still a little too big for her. Maybe she's not hungry right now. She doesn't have as much blush as the last doll. She also comes with a pink pacifier that is magnetic. Her shirt says, "So huggable," and has a little teddy bear on it. Her pants have cute hearts and ruffles on the back. Her socks are light pink. Even her diaper is so cute, with even more teddy bears. body is also clothed from the neck to the thighs and the upper arms. Her blushing is very subtle. Her nails are very well detailed as well. Her arms and legs are softer than the face and very smooth. I like both of these dolls. Each one is very cute in its own way. It really comes down to whether you prefer an awake baby or sleepy baby. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Links to both these dolls can be found in the description. They are available from GearBest. I suggest you check them out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.